Hello everyone, Professor Engelman here again. Another brief video about writing style. How to revise your essays in the best way to eliminate all the unnecessary words and phrases that just fill the space but don't mean much. Consider this. If you had to pay a quarter for each word you use, how much money would you be ready to give? So, clarity and precision in writing. Remember our emphasis on quality, not quantity. So, how do we do that? How to be precise? Clear writing is to the point. It allows your reader to understand you easily without having to unpack too many words or unnecessary phrases. So, here are some things you can do. When you revise your essays, you can replace wordy or empty phrases with one-word alternatives. For example, why say at this point in time when you can simply say now? Why say in the not too distant future when you can simply say soon? Or in spite of the fact that that's 6 words and you have a beautiful single word, although. You can also delete words that mean little or nothing. For example, look at this sentence. It sounds okay, and it actually reflects a lot of language you hear in the media and everywhere around us, but it is filled with unnecessary words that mean nothing or very little. Look at that. Learning actually depends on certain factors that basically involve psychology more than any particular technology. So by now you notice that all these words in green here are unnecessary. Why not simply say learning depends on psychology more than on technology? Another strategy is to delete words that repeat the meaning of other words. People often do that, and it is just so redundant, repetitive. Each and every. How often did you hear that? Each and every one of you. Each person, every person, true and accurate, hopes and desires, basic and fundamental, first and foremost, full and complete. It all means the same. One word of these is enough. Delete words implied by other words. It's another strategy. Have you ever heard of a happy tragedy? So terrible tragedy is redundant, various, different. Consensus of opinion. Well, consensus means that people have agreed, that the opinion is agreed upon, so you don't need to repeat our opinion, and so forth and so forth. And my all-time favorite, free gift. Well, if something is a gift, it is free by nature, right? Why would you say free gift? But you hear it everywhere. True facts, I will not even go there because that is a very difficult issue today, but facts are facts, and by nature, they are true. Final outcome, and so forth. Change negatives to affirmatives is another strategy. Why say not different when you can say similar? Or not allow when you can say prevent? Or not notice when you can say overlook? Another strategy is to replace a phrase with a single word. Look at this example. I should now like to say a few words concerning the matter of money. Why not say, I should now like to say a few words about money? It is the same meaning, but more precise and more powerful. So when you revise your essays, I want you to be ruthless to yourself when you cut these filler words, the fluff that you don't really need. Yes, I know it fills the page and your essay is done faster when you think about that. But remember, quality, not quantity. It is what you say that matters, the clarity of your ideas and your precise diction. And also remember, it doesn't have to be sophisticated, very difficult diction to understand. You do not need to use SAT words to impress me or other readers. You need to state your ideas clearly and precisely. So it is a really good idea to cut the redundant words from your writing that you do not actually need. cut the words you don't need. And remember, when you revise and cut, your sentences become more powerful. So instead of, in my personal opinion, it is necessary that we should not ignore the opportunity to think over each and every suggestion offered, I already have a headache. Simply say, consider the precision and clarity of. Simply say, we should consider each suggestion. Dear all, happy revising, and I will see you soon in our virtual classroom again. Bye for now.